let's talk about free people, free people trading.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Let me just get my Excel sheet here.
And thanks for this time. I appreciate it, guys.
No problem. No. Okay, so I'm making this thing from scratch. So forgive me if there's any, if I'm going to take a little bit longer than normal. So, okay, now let's talk about the SSF commission, software service fees commission. How is it paid? It's paid on 20 generations. Let's call it levels here, level 1, level 2, up to level 20. Yes. So in percentage point of view, this level 1, we're paying 5%, level 2, 5%, level 3, 5%, 5%. So all the way down up to level 5. And then it's 4%. That's from level 6 up to level 10. And then it's 1% all the way down up to level 18. And then 0.5% for level 19 and 0.5% for level 20. I just want you to help me with numbers, if you can, Marcel. Okay, so this is the level and this is the percentage. So people. Okay, let's say the person on the top here is a free member who was started with just as low as 600. Let's say he's using two coins and it's using two coins. So this person, how many people of the same financial capability can he get? Give me an approximate number. I just ask you, if you can click this on.
Got you. Okay. So how many people that he can get for free?
Yes. Who can trade the same capital that he have, a small capital?
Small fry. Let's say 20. So he goes 10 wide, correct?
20. Okay. He got 20 people directly. So these 20 people, how many people can they get? Let's make a duplication down. I'll just stop at level 10. I'm not going to go deeper because that's going to be crazy numbers. So
okay. Now I know the average person only sponsors 2.3, but if you have a system, you can get more. So if you help those 20 sponsor, I'm sorry, what's the question now? Help.
Yeah, those people, how many people can they sponsor? I mean, each one, how many average people can they get?
Well, average person can sponsor 2, so yeah, that would double to 440.
Okay, so let's take it all the way down with the same. We're not putting more than all the way down. Okay. So these are all free members. The capital traded per person, capital traded 600, right, per person, not 600.
Yes, sir.
All the way down. Okay, so the total capital is going to be the number of people multiplied by the 600. So this here multiplied by the number of people. Pull it all the way down. Okay, so as far as what we have seen now in your own account, and what was the average monthly possibility? I know it's not guaranteed. It's not next month may be completely different than last month. So what kind of number do you want?
Like the lady said before, it was around 3% per month.
Okay. So let's consider the same number, 3 divided by 100. That's 3%. That's the profit that's been made for the users. So those are free members. So the company is taking 30%, right? 30%. This is the SSF taken. So here this multiplied by 30 divided by 100. So that what the company gets from those trades. So what does the person on the top of this organization is getting? It's getting this percentage, right?
Yes.
So let's see.
Yes.
Monthly. Approximate monthly commission. So you just have to multiply this one, the 30% that the company is taking, multiplied by the percentage that is getting for that level. Take it all the way down. Okay. So that means based on the numbers that you gave me right now, all of these are free members, and trading only 600, and the average monthly income is about 3%. But that's fine. So this person have a potential to make 4,452 per month from
Gotcha.
those 3 members without anyone having to upgrade, without him having to upgrade,
Gotcha.
without anything else. So he just need building this organization. What he need, however, or the person on the top, he needs, like as per this example, to open all these 5 generations down, he needs 5 paid members, whether they are advanced or VIP. And within the people they would get definitely. And we're taking also the example based on duplication of 2 only, because he's the only one who's very serious about the business. We've got the 20 people, but everyone else getting approximately about 2 people all the way down. So this is the potential. And not only this, we have also the matching bonus. So the matching bonus is for level 1 and level 2, level 1 and level 2. Let's say the people in his level 1 and level 2 were doing exactly the same, and they're getting this kind of income every month. So he's getting 8% of this, which is the earning of his downlines multiplied by 20 people, because they have 20 people level 1 for helping them build the team. So divided by 100, this is per person. So multiplied by 20 people. Level 2 matching bonus. Again, this amount multiplied by 3 divided by 100. That's per person. And then this is 1 multiplied by the number of people in level 2, which is 40. So we have potential to make more, 12,000 USDT on the matching bonus if the people he helped the people in his downlines to achieve the same kind of structure. So this is the potential that for a free member who may be trading as low as 600. So this way, from this income, they can even increase the capital that they're trading. They can upgrade to VIP even and open all the 25 bots that they will be allowed for in terms of VIP. And when they start, 0.
And then the 30, and when they go to advanced and VIP, that 30% becomes 20%. So they get 10% profit. And then they should focus on the 3, getting 3 so that they can get to the Founders Club, so they can get other things. So inch by inch, you kill an elephant by one bite at a time.
Exactly. That's why because we know, actually we made this free membership is because we know that there are some people that might not be able to afford it. I know some places. I have a friend that who lives in Nigeria. His weekly income is as low as $4. The barber. So he definitely will not be able to even afford like trading 600 or paying the 250 for the package. But they have this vehicle. They can come in, they can pay 0, start recruiting. Maybe they can quit their job very soon because the income that's going to come from here is going to be much more than what they're making at the moment with their with the job that they're doing. But they still can join and do. But if we restrict it to only paid membership, then we are leaving out some of the people who might be needing of this vehicle to move forward and to feed their families and also to generate kind of income, a passive income.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, gentlemen. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. You know, because you see so much, you kind of get discouraged with all the success that's been thrown at 500 getting in and 1,000. But if you stay focused and stay one person at a time, it's going to grow. It's going to grow. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
No problem.